Okay, hey, good afternoon, everyone. This is Demetrius again with Akeelah Traders. And so today is Friday, March 1st. And so this is the afternoon. It's almost 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So near the end of the day, of the trading day today. So I'm just going to recap a little bit of how our system did trading today. Most of our team was traveling today, and so we have not really been online. Well, actually, have not been online at all today. So our system's just been running while we were on the road. I left this morning somewhere around a little before 8 a.m. Eastern time. And so we pretty much just had the systems running, trading several of the accounts that we traded. So I'm going to start to take a look at this and just kind of review what we've done today. In this account here, today looks like we've been trading several different things in here. We've had a sale here on NAS 100. NAS 100 has done nothing but buying today. So this actually triggered from a sell limit that we had set. And so that one's in the hole right now. Dogecoin. We have not been trading cryptos in this particular account at all. So this was just a test buy on Doge. We were doing some training yesterday when we actually took that trade just to show, some of the flexibilities that we have to trade different things on this MetaTrader platform. The trades that we took today looks like we did buy here on NVIDIA. Is this two or three? Yeah, these buys on NVIDIA. We bought NVIDIA right here at $800 or close to that. This is very small. We just had a very small risk in that one. But the system did pick this up. It was just scanning. We've been in scanning some stocks and trading. We traded this one on the 4-hour time frame. We reviewed yesterday in a separate video. We were trading FDX over here. That's just another one of the exchanges, one of the foreign exchanges. And so we had the system set to trade. We trade that one on the 4-hour time frame. I am going to peek over at that chart because we're in several trades on that one. Let me find it right here. Okay. And so looks like I can tell from here while we were gone today that we were in some trades. Look like we must have been buying this up to this point, and then we triggered a sell. So these current positions, triggered another buy. These current positions right here just entered in up at this area. So when I look at the history, we should see some closeout sales in there, trades rather in there where we took some buys up in here. But we are trading this one on one of our pro strategies on the 4-hour time frame. And then looks like there's a few more NVIDIAs down here that triggered a buy. Okay, so that's what's running live right now. This is the end of the day on Friday. So a lot of these trades, the activity for the day has already been done. So let's take a look at the closed out trades in here to see. This is our account history. Let me expand this up a little bit. And you can see here just in the summary, I'm going to go through these actual trades here very quickly. But in summary, we made a little over $2,300 today. And so for this size account, I mean, that's pretty good. That's about 7% or so, somewhere in that range. So that's pretty good for a completely auto trading. So this is our AI system running, taking the trades, scanning these particular markets. So let's go through this quickly and see what we actually traded. So starting today, most of our systems, if they're set on a day trade setting, they're set to trade like around 5 a.m. Eastern time. So that's 1,200 MetaTrader hours. Some of the other things may be trading around the clock if they're on a higher time frame. But we took some trades here on CAD Swiss. So this is the Canadian dollar versus the Swiss dollar. Let's go and see what that chart looks like. CAD Swiss, we actually did a buy. Okay. And so our system, you can see this blue line up here. It shows us approximately where we got into those trades and where we got out. So the market has been consolidating over here the last couple of days. And so our system has kind of just been quietly scanning this. We're scanning it on the 4-hour chart. I'm pretty sure if I look at these settings, 4-hour. So we're scanning this on the 4-hour time frame. So for this time period back here, we hadn't really done anything. We had a previous trade back here. But since yesterday, it's just been consolidating. So we picked up a buy here somewhere around 0.65240, and we exited that trade up at 65389. Exited pretty close up here to where our system shows there's some verified resistance here. Get out of your trade and take your profits. So we did very well on that one. That looks like a good portion of the profits we made for the day came on CAD Swiss up here. We just had the system set on to scan to say, if you see an opportunity, take it. If not, don't do anything. The next one down here, Euro USD, we made some profits on that one. That's going to be pretty similar. I'm sure we are trading that one on. I've got to find it because I've got a lot of charts open here. We're trading that one on the 4-hour time frame. Likewise, where is Euro USD? Okay, maybe I'm just not seeing it because I've got so many things open. Oh, here it is right here. Okay, y'all forgive me. So Euro USD, we entered a sell on that one at right at the start of the trade time. So 1200 hours, that would be, I don't see my arrows on here. Oh, that's right in here. So right in this time here. So we took advantage of this. And this was a case where we're trading again on the 4-hour. But this, our system saw an opportunity to sell here, get in, come down here, take our profits, and get out. So we did not make big on there. But I think on this particular pair, our risk percentage is we're running a small risk on that one. So see a little bit of profits, take them and get out. These other ones I mentioned over here on FDX, that's where we made a good portion of the profits today as well. We started buying. I looked at that chart already, but to show where we started buying somewhere around in this area, carried it up to the point where our system would have read, it looks like we probably exited those because we did not hit the take profit target. But we actually, well, on one of them, we did hit the take profit target. So forgive me. But even if we did not reach the take profit target, it closed everything else out up here. And it probably was because the strengths were maxed out. It saw something in the market to say, hey, this trend is kind of fading out a little bit. Let's take our profits and get out of here. So good profits there. We took a little bit of trades on S&P 500. Nothing significant there. We're trading that one with very small risk. Because we're trying to manage on this account. When we're trading multiple pairs like this, it's important to manage the risk across the overall account. We're risking X percent per trade on one particular pair, but the more pairs that we trade, we're splitting up that risk. So the system is capable of trading multiple pairs. I can trade everything that I've got listed up here and more all at the same time. It's just, it's kind of important to manage your risk. So some of these trades you see like S&P, US 30 today, we did not have any significant size trades. We won a little, lost a few on here, but we were not trading big risk on those because the other pairs that we were focused on, we had the majority of our attention there. This here was a sell. This must have been from earlier. Oh, initially we lost on gold. So we tried to sell gold. No, excuse me, that's silver. I'm like, that doesn't make sense. So we tried to sell silver a little bit earlier, and so we lost that trade. And then here are a few more gold ones that we picked up and did fairly well overall today on gold. So about $2,300 on that account. Great results there. There's another account that we're trading over here in this broker. And at the time, the focus on this particular one is just stocks. We've been in a Tesla trade here for the last couple of days. The system picked up an opportunity to buy Tesla. And right now, Tesla's kind of it's pretty much just been moving sideways. These last 2 days has not done much. And so we're slightly in the negative here on this account. And just, waiting to see, how the market is gonna trend. If the system sees that this buy is not going to hold, we're probably just going to exit out of this trade. It's Friday now, so it's going to carry this going into the weekend, into next week. But starting next week, if we don't push past this area here, it's probably just going to exit and get us out. Okay, one more account to take a look at. This is our small account. We have actually several different small accounts. that we typically start trading with, to help some of our traders that are trading with smaller balances. We typically start these accounts anywhere from $200, $300, somewhere in that range. And so right now, this particular account is trading a little bit. It's currently in, looks like a sell on NAS 100, a sell on USD CAD, um, a sell on CAD JPY, and AUD NZD. So those are several of the things that's running here. The ones that we closed out today, the majority of the things we traded on here today was just gold. This account did not trade a lot, so I'm pretty much going to focus on the gold trades, and we'll post in our Telegram channel here for this one. We got a few people that's been watching, monitoring these small accounts, and so we'll post maybe the results here from just gold on this particular one. But let's see. Looks like we started buying gold this morning. Am I going up or down? Okay, so it starts from this way. Yeah, we had a few wins and a few losses here on gold. But overall, this account, I think when I put up the summary, you'll be able to see um, the totals for gold. So that's the majority of what we're trading in here. So you see a couple of things. I'm not going to take time to go through all of these, but very small account size. So every time it takes a trade, it's going to be something small. We're looking to win $1, $2, $3. As the account builds momentum for that day, these trades are going to go to $4, $5, something like this. So you can see a lot of in and outs here, but the majority of these ended up being winning trades. And the summary on this account, I think this made around $120, $130, something like that. I'll post the actual results in our Telegram so you can see that. But that's another pretty good day for gold trading, and so that's something that's done very well. Okay, all right. So that's the pretty much the summary for just today, March 1st. At least that's a look at a few of our accounts. All of these again are 100% auto traded. The system is managing the risk. We specify for it based on the account size. What percentage of my account am I willing to risk on any particular trade? And then what percentage of my account am I willing to risk, overall, maybe for the day or something. And so our system is able to keep track of that. We have a dashboard that helps monitor, where our trades are, what we're doing. We can interact with this dashboard at any point in time. Right now, you can see we're floating about 22% profit on this small account. Our balance is 240, and we're up about 20% of that. And so that's reflected in what the profits are here, about $50. So $50 is close to 20% of what we have. So if I chose to, I could close all of, I don't think we're in a gold trade right now, but I could close everything gold. I can close all my trades across whatever they're trading. Let's go to NAS 100, something that we are actually in a trade on. So if I turn my dashboard on here for NAS, this is more practical here. So we're about 23%. If I wanted to close all my NAS 100 trades, which we look like we took a sell right up in here. So we're selling NAS. I can close this and take all my profits off of NAS. I can take partials. If I hit this button, it'll close 50% of my profits on here. So this particular trade, for example, is like remaining $25 profit or something like that. If I hit that button, it'll close it, take $12 profit, and leave the remainder running. I can move all my stops to break even. If I hit that button, it moves everything to break even, so that there's no loss at all. I'm just floating profits. So I can do that for the individual trade, or I can do it for everything that I'm trading. If I see that I'm satisfied with my profits for the day, I can just close all trades. It'll immediately close everything. And then I can just turn off my auto trading up here and stop trading for the day. So a couple of ways we can interact with the system there, but hopefully this is a good review. We hadn't done a video, I think, but one other one this week, but as the week ended, I wanted to kind of recap how our auto system is trading, how it's managing everything for us, and we're seeing consistent results. You see that we're losing some trades, we're taking losses on some, but we're consistently profitable because we're managing those risks, and most importantly, letting the system do the work while we can do things like we had to do today, go and travel, or handle whatever business you got to do, and you can come back and be pretty pleased that the system has been managing things for us. Okay, all right. Hopefully that was kind of gave a good overview of what we're doing here. If you guys have questions, please jump in on our YouTube channel here. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. Turn on your notification bell, and you'll see as we post these kinds of things. And look in the comments here and join our Telegram channel. Over here, we're trading a lot of different things. We're trading several different pairs. We're sharing ideas here. This is our main Akeelah channel where we're sharing, some of the trades that we're taking. We have our partners channel in here where we're sharing trade ideas, giving specific direction to traders, letting them see things like, hey, gold is getting ready to buy. It's time to buy this, time to exit. So a lot of good information. Join us here. We'd love to have you on board and partner with us and let us, help you manage these markets. Okay. Have a blessed weekend, guys. See you.